It's my feel-good breakfast show.
Yay! Yay!
I wish it was Mother's Day for children too.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, you can keep all of this because
Maybe
your
I should
mom's
just have a
so
baby
far
so I
away.
can
She
keep
can't
Mother's
get it. You can't get it. When you look into your mother's eyes, you know that it is the purest love you can find on this earth. And whether your mom likes things old school or loves to try something new, Woolies have got you covered with some tasty Mother's Day treats that I think will make anyone feel so special.
Now, the only question is, what kind of mom
Yummy.
is she? Is she a softie, a foodie, or a chocolate friend? We need to find out. Jamie, I feel like we need to start with you. What type of mom is yours?
You guys clearly saw my mom earlier on. Patricia Domberg is a softie. She's a cutie. You just want to hug her. She's everything. So that's why in my little bundle of gifts for her is I got a cutie pie, because she's such a cutie pie, but I got some other stuff as well. I'm going to show you guys. So I got her this macadamia nut and cranberry nougat. It's made with locally sourced macadamia nuts. It's badger-friendly, honey, and free-range eggs. Of course, it is handcrafted in small batches by a local community using time-honored techniques. It is just so absolutely stunning. Why are you coming closer? You trying to steal Patricia's stuff?
I love nougat so much you don't
She's-
understand.
And then I also got her this rose-flavored Turkish delight. Look at that. Enrobed in milk chocolate, locally produced as well, again in small batches. Love everything. Go away from me, Gigi. And then, actually, you know what? Luca can't buy me anything, so we're going to have to share this as well. And then I got her this as well, handcrafted vanilla-flavored fudge. Look at this. The secret is that it is made with condensed milk, fresh cream, and butter. 3 of Patricia Domberg's favorite things.
My craving foods. Your mom and I might be made from the same stuff. We might be the same person.
Oh, I
Again.
love this picture of you and your mom.
Aww.
You can definitely see you,
Twinning.
Patricia's daughter.
Twinning, twinning. You are cutie pie, Patricia, but this is for both of us because Luca can't buy me anything so far. So now you get to show me a bit.
I've got some beautiful stuff here, and I like my mom to feel a bit zhuzh. Like I really went to the hind, and that's a real word. Zhuzh. Zhuzh is a real word. I wanted to feel special. My mom is a little bit of a foodie, and she's a bit of a traditionalist. She likes the old favorites, and we've had those kind of recipes and things that have stuck around in our family, and she makes them so well. But I think foodies young and old will love what I've chosen for her. She loves shortbread. She loves brittle, and that's something that she's passed on to me. So, look, I'm going to admit that a lot of these things we both like, okay? But no, that was the first. She taught me to buy a good gift for someone. If you love it, chances are she's going to love it. And that was the moment that she met Georgia, guys. You don't understand.
That is
So
nice.
beautiful. So for my mom, we've got pecan fudge shortbread, and it's amazing. It's fingers made with butter, with pecan nuts, with fudge, right in the heart of the Boerland. It's traditional and it's amazing. I love the introduction of fudge there. Then I've got very traditional, the butter shortbread, made by people from the community in the Boerland as well. They make smaller batches. They use completely locally sourced ingredients. They bake slowly. They are hand-packed, and my mother loves that. She loves to know that she's feeding a sustainable kind of business model, that she's supporting communities. That's so much up her alley. Then this is like the guilty treat, okay? I can only handle one. Okay, this is one of her favorite things ever. Millionaire's shortbread squares. Butter shortbread topped with a layer of caramel and chocolate ganache. Just get out, look at that. I know.
Yeah, like...
Ooh, okay, and then this is definitely
more?
my favorite, Yana. This is absolutely amazing. Almond and cranberry brittle, and it's got the sign on that says new.
It's
new. You've never seen it before. Crunchy almond and cranberry brittle, drizzled with dark chocolates. This is the one that she's going to give to me. She does that. That's what she does.
not Father's Day,
No, but that's what she does.
Not yet Father's Day.
She has great joy in being generous. That's how she expresses herself.
Well, I
She's
definitely
selfless.
got my sweet tooth from my mom, and my mom's one of those chocolatey moms. She feels chocolate counts as a separate food group, and she has a secret stash that we all know about. It's in the house, and she loves all chocolates that's got some hazelnut to it. So for my mom, I decided I'm going to spoil her with some decadent chocolate. So I've got 2 boxes here. The first one is the chocolate decadence. It's locally produced with 31% cocoa solids, and of course it's got all the yummy bits here. It's got the coffee decadence, the orange truffle, milk millionaire. I'm just reading some of them because she'll need to unravel each and every one of them. There's an orange truffle in here.
Oh, wow.
I love this. 200 grams of yumminess. And of course, I also got her the milk dark and white chocolate selection, also locally produced with 31% cocoa solids. And this one's got her favorite in it. She loves the caramel fudge as well as the dark ganache. So really, really some yummy things in here. And then, because she's the chocolate person in our house, I also got her some of this dark chocolate salted caramel truffles, which is also locally produced chocolates, 57% cocoa. And I got her this one that's quite similar too, but this is the dark chocolate, cherries soaked in liqueur.
After dinner. That's for how you round off the day.
I know.
She's
This is
gonna be
all the
living her best life.
chocolatiers in the
I haven't
world.
eaten today, and I'm actually, this is painful.
That's
to
for
do
your
this.
mom.
This is amazing.
That's for mom.
Is it though?
Yes, it's for mom.
Is it though? Oh, these are absolutely beautiful. So I think our mothers are going to be very happy, okay?
She doesn't need 4 boxes of chocolate.
Exactly.
No,
You
hold on.
understand what I'm saying, girl? You understand what I'm saying? So yesterday we asked you to please share your personal Mother's Day messages on our social media pages, along with the hashtag Woolies Mother's Day. Now it's time for you to revel in the congratulations of our Woolies 1,000 Rand gift card winner.
Can we get a drum roll, please?
Yes, we can.
I can't use both hands.
Congratulations, Gail Williams. Happy shopping. That 1,000 Rand voucher is yours. Gail posted the following message for her mom saying, "Happy Mother's Day to my best friend, my role model, and my pillar of strength. I truly appreciate you and can't thank you enough for everything you have done for me. I love you with all of my heart." How special.
Beautiful, beautiful. Now, of course, for you at home, you still stand a chance to win a 1,000 Rand Woolies gift card too. Just share your personal Mother's Day message on our Twitter, Facebook or Instagram competition post with the hashtag Woolies Mother's Day. Now, of course, the competition closes at 9 a.m. Today. And those T's and C's can be found on our website, expressoshow.com.
Okay, maybe I should keep one more box for myself too, like this one.
Dear Mum,
I love you. I love you.
Thank you for always being the Mbokoto that you are.